Taskade or Clickup both promise to help you to manage your project and task, but in this time, which one should you really choose? Which one will save you a lot of time and not slow you down? So let's find out. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make technology simple for your business and help you to stay productive. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and subscribe this channel and check the link in the description for free trials. Alright, now let's dive in. So first, who are these tools made for? Now let's start with Taskade first. This is built for small teams, freelancers or individuals who want a simple tool for task, note and collaboration. It's lightweight, easy to use and feels very fast. Now let's talk about the Clickup. Clickup is more for bigger teams and businesses that need advanced project management. It has tasks, docs, goals, dashboard and a lot of customization. But with all of those features, it can feel heavy at times. So yeah, Taskade is like the click and quick and it's very simple tool. Other side, Clickup is a big all-in-one platform. Now let's talk about the interface. Taskade has clean, minimal design. You can switch between list, board and mind map view easily. It feels lightweight and smooth. Now we have the Clickup. It also has many views like list, board, calendar, timeline and many more. But because it has so many options, it can feel a little cluttered if you are new. So the verdict is Taskade win for simplicity and Clickup win for the flexibility. Now let's talk about the features. Taskade gives you real-time collaboration, chat, video call and task management all in one place. It's simple but covers the basic really well. Clickup also gives you the project management tools like tracking, dependencies, automation, reporting, etc. And it's very powerful, but you may not use all of those features if you are a beginner. So the verdict is Taskade is great for small team and simple workflow, and Clickup is best for the large team and the complex project. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. Taskade has a free plan and the paid plan start at around $10 per month. Other side, the Clickup also has a free plan, but with paid plans, it starts at around $7 per month. But the advanced feature can cost more. Now the verdict is Taskade is best if you want a lightweight, simple and affordable tool. Other side, Clickup can be best if you want a full project management system with advanced feature. So yeah, if you want easy and fast, go with Taskade. But if you are managing a bigger team or need advanced tracking, then the Clickup is for you. I hope now you understand the difference, the similar and the work process between this Clickup and the Taskade. So hope this video helped you. If this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.